In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up your Epson Expression Home XP-600 series printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac OS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, doesn't matter which one, and we're going to go search onto Google for Epson Expression Home XP-600 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with an Epson support page. It says Epson XP-600. Go ahead and open that up. And then on this page, you want to scroll down and expand the operating system selection and select either your version of Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, and then select Go. And then scrolling down again, you want to select the driver and utility combo package. Go ahead and download that item. And then once it's on your computer, you want to go ahead and open up that file to run it. Should be a pretty quick download. It's about 120 megabytes, so it's not too large. Should be a publisher listed here for Epson. Select yes, and it says that this file contains the Epson XP-600 driver and utility combo package. Select OK. Proceed with the installer here, selecting optional features you may want to install alongside your printer, as well as optional wireless printing, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.